Everyone, welcome and thanks so much for joining me. I've got some more Tim Hortons Team Canada trading cards 2021-2022. I believe I got 10 more packs. Let's see if we can get closer to completing this set. Although we're not going to complete the set because I doubt they have any more left to sell. These things go so fast that it's hard to even get some. So we've got Jeff Skinner. Ooh, Canvas of Carey Price. Canvas Moment. And Eric Stahl. Okay, so you go there. Eric Stahl. Okie dokie. And we got Taylor Hall. And ooh, we got a gold. Alexis Lafreniere. That's a good card right there. Alexi. And of course, number 1, Wayne Gretzky. I still want you know who. You know who I want. I want Tim Horton himself. If I can get Tim Horton. I think Tim Horton will be in this series. I think so. I don't even know what my checklist is. They don't even have any. Oh, I got Mario Lemieux. I don't like his jersey. Look how far away the C is. The C should be right there. Why is it all the way under his armpit? Mario Lemieux. And then we got a Capitan, Claude Giroux. And we got Kirby Dach. Alright. Kirby Dach. Okay. So yeah, they ran out of binders, so we cannot get binders. But you can download the checklist. Checklist is online. We have Shea Weber. Another gold, PK Subban. Championship medal. And we got Brent Burns. Brent Burns, okay. Alrighty. We got Matt Dumba. And ooh, we got a Program Excellence card of Drew Doughty. Wow. Look how young he was there. That is cool. Best Defenseman, 2008 juniors. See, you could tell they're juniors. He was under 16, right? Wearing one of those masks, those helmets. And we got our first female. All right. Next. Oh, another female. Melody Daoust. And we got a Capitan, Jaden Schwartz. And Maxime Comtois. Okie dokie. Okay, we have Ryan O'Reilly. We got another gold medal. Gold medal, Eric Stahl. Gold medal. He wasn't captain in this one, was he? The other one he was captain. This one, well, he's not. And we got Max Domi. Alright, Max Domi. Alright, ooh, Marcel Dion. Wow. That's an oldie. Yeah. Wayne Gretzky's era. Yeah, Wayne Gretzky's era. 90s, 84. No, this guy's in the 70s, baby. He's not Wayne Gretzky time. He's old time. Oh, that's new. I don't have this one. A Canvas Moment, Wayne Gretzky card. Shines at 5th Canada Cup. Wow. Look at that card. Beautiful. Beautiful card. And Toronto Maple Leaf. We have Jason Spezza. Jason Spezza. Alright. 2 packs left. Wow, I think the best card is my Wayne Gretzky card now. I know I have 2 Wayne Gretzky cards, but this one's this canvas. Ooh, Marc-Andre Fleury. Back in the day. Another gold medal. Cal McCarr. And Braden Shen. His brother Luke Shen used to play on the Maple Leafs way back in the day too. So yeah, there you go. Okay, let's go here. What do we got? Oh, we got Travis Konecny. Okay, he looks serious. And we got John Tavares, my Capitan of the Toronto Maple Leafs. John Tavares. He nets a hat trick and win. Yes, there you go. Hat trick, baby. There's that. This way. Number 19, he now he's 91. Number 19 he was. Cool moments cards, eh? And we have Braden Point. So wow, this is the best one. Raw. I like this one so much, and you know, and I like my Excellence Program ones too. Of course, the gold medal ones are good too. So yeah, these, if you still could find them, get them. If not, we all lost out on completing this set. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.